Hi all, it's me Harry this side. So as we come to an end of the 24-25 financial year, here we are actually giving you a performance check of the F&O trading systems that we have done. So what profits we have been able to generate with our F&O trading. So let's have a look at the same. So I'm passing it on to my teammate Varun, who will actually give you a walkthrough about the account.
Hey guys, Varun here. So as we all know, we are off to a fresh financial year start, FY25. So in light of this, we would love to show you our performance for the previous financial year. Okay. So if you look at the screen, you know how markets has been performing for the previous financial year. From April 24 till date, markets barely gave us around 3.5% returns. But we are proudly here to say that we have clocked 55.3% returns on F&O algos for the financial year 24. Let me show you how. So here are the numbers for the same. So this is a base 1 share account that we have, and if you look at the F&O performance, so here you can see that we have clocked 53.8% returns for a 1 share setup, which means around 53.8 lakhs. So this video is basically to show you how the brokerage charges and other charges vary across different portfolio sizes. So here I'll be showing you how our 1 share account works, how our 50 lakh strategy works, how our 10 lakh as well as a 5 lakh account performed over the year, right? So this is a second base account of 50 lakh capital, and let's see how the algos performed for this particular account. So basically our algos are a combination of option selling as well as buying strategies. So that explains the high returns that we were able to capture even when there was huge volatility. So if you all know, see, I know most of your portfolio might be on a bearish note because of the trend that we had after September 2024. It was a bearish trend. See, that's where our F&O algos come into picture, where F&O algos can actually act as a hedge for your portfolio, right? So if I click on F&O for the last financial year, we were able to clock almost 20.08 lakhs, which is close to around 40%. So now you get the difference between the 1 share as well as the 50. Almost around 13 to 14% was actually missed out just on that ticket sizes, on that 50, and that's where the charges come into picture. Okay. So now let's go to a 10 lakh account and see how it performed for the same period. So here is our 10 lakh base algo account, and let's see how the performance has been reflected here. So if you can see that we have clocked almost 2.65 lakhs, which comes to around 26.5% for the whole year. So now you get to know how much is the percentage returns when you compare different capital ticket sizes. We started off with the 1 share ticket size, and that has given around 53.8% returns, and we notched down to 50 lakhs, which has given around 40%, and now you are seeing a 10 lakh base account strategy where we have done just 26.5% returns. So this is the actual impact of charges across different various ticket sizes, because see, orders brokerage is charged per order, not per lot size. So that brings in a good difference when you compare different ticket sizes. So now that we've seen our 1 share as well as 50 lakhs as well as a 10 lakh account, let's get down to our 5 lakh account and let's see how the performance goes there. Okay, so the only problem with our smaller accounts is basically, see, our algo is designed to have n set of strategies. So with a smaller margin, we won't be able to execute that fully. We will only be able to execute, let's say, 1 or 2 setups on that. So obviously performance would vary on that. So this is the P&L from for last FY from April 1st till date, and we have clocked, if you look at the realized P&L, we have clocked at least 94,300, which is close to around 19 to 20% on a 5 lakh capital. But then comes the charges. So that's the challenges for the smaller accounts. The brokerage itself has been around 39 to 40,000. 40,000 is almost close to around 10% in a year. Right, and then comes the turnover and STT, GST, everything. So in net, the net realized profit would come to around just 38,000, which is probably less than 9%. Yeah, less than 9%. See, this is the difference between these whole ticket size variance. So this has been our F&O algo performance for FY 24-25, but that's just not it. Wouldn't it be great if we can add an equity portfolio along with this algo performance, so that you have an equity portfolio growing on one side and you have your F&O algos growing on the other? Well, that's what we offer for wealth management at LiveLong. So if you take a look at our small case website, you can see 3 portfolios listed by us, and the top performing small case portfolio is LiveLong Alpha Smart Beta, where if you open this, you can see that even when the market was in a bearish note, we managed to generate returns during the same period just because of strategic momentum trading. So what are you waiting for? Comment below how much returns you have clocked for the last financial year, and click on the link below to know more about portfolio backed wealth management algos.